What's up, kid family? Man, so the STI BBS wheels did not fit. However, will these Evo wheels fit? So instead of continuing with this video, I'm just gonna tell you no, they don't. Alright, peace. Yo, I'm just joking, guys. Evo 9 wheels. These are from the 05 to 07 Mitsubishi Evolution. You all know that car, the 4-banger with a bunch of horsepower. That definitely is better than the Subaru. Sorry, Subaru guys. Evo all day. Anyway, we picked up these wheels here. These specs on these suckers, they are 17 by 8 inches wide with a 38mm offset. The factory tires that come along with them is a 235/45 17-inch tire. Now, the cool thing about these is, again, they go well with our setups on our 8th gen Civics. They are made by Enkai, which is a very popular brand. And it does take a few tips and tricks to get these suckers to fit in your vehicle. And I'm going to talk to you guys all about that. So keep watching. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I picked these wheels up used in great condition. These come off the Mitsubishi Evo 9, and as you can see, it's a very nice looking wheel for a very aggressive sports car. So you know these wheels from the get-go are very functional, and these fit our Hondas because the wheel bolt pattern is the same. The hub bore on the Evo rims is a little bit bigger, 67.1, which is fine. You just need these hub-centric ring adapters to fit on our 8th gen Civic. Now, the other thing we need to fit on this 8th gen Civic is specific lug nuts. Now, these are hub-centric lug nuts that the Evo wheels take, not the lug-centric that our factory Hondas come with. Alright, and here is the slideshow of how the car came out. Now, in these pictures, my Civic was lowered on IBAC Pro Kit suspension on factory shocks, so I am about an inch lower than your factory Honda is. Overall, it's got a nice beefy look to it. The 235/45 series tires fill up the wheel well, very well. No pun intended. And it looks good. I do have some complaints which I'm going to mention in a little bit, but overall with the ride height, the suspension, I had no problems. Although it might look like I was rubbing, I guarantee you guys I did not rub. I had no problems with rubbing, which kind of surprised myself as well. Now let's look and dive deeper into the fitment. Look at the front. Pretty darn flush, no stretch on the tires. Now let's go for the rear again. Overall, like I said, fits the wheel well, and right there, nice square setup. It's not gonna rub like I mentioned. So one thing I noticed though, even this wheel setup was wider and I had much more tire to the ground and the offset was lower. I felt like the sidewalls of these tires were way too soft. During hard corners and aggressive driving, I had no confidence. The car just felt like it wanted to roll, and that problem was coming from the tires. Maybe you experts can advise me on why that is. Is it because it's just a softer tire compound? Is it because it's not properly spec'd to this vehicle? I'm not sure. I haven't had this problem before because the tire is the proper fit for the Evo rim, and it is a wider, much more aggressive offset, which should help handle better. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Stay tuned for more videos. Hit that like and subscribe button because we got a lot more content coming your way.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.